Okay, so if you saw the video, this is still as a chassis. We've got wires poking out. It's one which had been illegally modified to 80 channel operation, and they'd used the PA switch to do that. So I've got that to rewire, which will take me about 90 minutes. But I wanted to get an on-the-air test underway because the set is actually done as a chassis. So apart from that and the dimmer, everything else is sorted out. Right, we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's on Mega Chippie channel. We're on the extension speaker because obviously I've got the set in bits and there's no speaker. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, I'm ready.
Oh, roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. And because I'm running this as a chassis, it's already on the extension speaker.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. There is a tone control, but it needs the switch cleaning, so I'll try and demonstrate it.
Yep, roger that. So we're heading up the lane past the passing place and soon passing what should be at some point doggy daycare. Over.
Roger on that, thank you.
Roger.
They're working on the fence between there and the lane earlier today.
Alright, okay. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that. Slightly late, about 10 to 8. That rhymed.
Yep, roger. Almost but not quite square wheeled and now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Excellent. Got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Yeah, there's a slight difference. I think just leave it in normal though. Oh yeah, it's just had the capacitor in, but sometimes they've been linked out, so this one doesn't need restoring because it's already there.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
York JCB863 and it's doing full forward output. I'm using a standard replacement mic. I've just demodified it from illegal modification, which stops the footstep working.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger. Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this York JCB863 signal 44 now 41.27 amps, and we'll go over to low power, which on this set is 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watts now drawing 500 milliamps. And there we are back at 4 watts, over.
Roger, you might have an intermittent switch on that. You were disappearing on low power.
Okay, Roger, I'm just going to do that again then. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back again. Probably want some spray.
Yeah, that worked okay, no problems.
Yes, I said the tone switch was iffy. I think it's been in a smoking environment.
Yeah, roger that, could well be.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, I'll just wait to look at the computer screen that nothing's come through.
Yep, roger that, no problem. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing. That's the petrol station, and I'm sure you can hear me better than you could on yesterday's brand new set.
Yep, definitely. 139.9 on 44.7.
There we go. Well, thank you very much for that. You carry on doing shopping and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing, and I expect there's a petrol price at that petrol station, and I'm sure you can hear me better than you could on yesterday's brand new set.
Yep, definitely. 139.9 on 44.7.
There we go. Well, thank you very much for that. You carry on and do your shopping, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, that worked a treat. Off we go to our base station, see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900, which has exactly the same Cybernet 134 innards.
Tango 21 testing the York JCB863 onto our Midland 76900 base station. So here we are on 4 watts, we'll pop it onto low power. There we are on low power doing 600 milliwatts, and hopefully there's no hum because there shouldn't be on this kind of radio. It's back to full power. And tomorrow, or next time we can cram a CB radio in, we've got this Kerno KR200 to do